And now they're sent on their way. Alberation got out of their best on the inside, joined by Not Usual Paradise pretty quickly. Out well was Double Happy. Those three in a line at the 1,000 metres, followed by the Jackalbury Gelding in the lime colours. Back down on the inside is Guillotine Filly. It's at the rail, followed by Petra Bella. In behind that then would have been the Redwood Colt. Back there with it is the Sepoy Gelding. And last of all is the Rip Van Winkle Colt as they come on up towards the 600 metres. Not Usual Paradise on the outside of Alberation, and they are clear here. 1-2 on Petra Bella third. By the 600 metres, Pink Colours next. Double Happy is fourth and overtaken by the Jackalbury Gelding. And then Sepoy Gelding, followed back by Redwood Colt. Then Rip Van Winkle Colt. And last of all is Guillotine Filly, and they're into the stretch, and Alberation is the leader. Not Usual Paradise, then Petra Bella back in third, followed by the Jackalbury Gelding, Double Happy, and further back to the Sepoy Gelding. Not Usual Paradise has it here, Alberation, and then Petra Bella down the outside. Not Usual Paradise in the lead, Petra Bella trying to come after it. Not Usual Paradise wins it. Not Usual Paradise clearly, Petra Bella second, Alberation third, and Sepoy Gelding finished fourth. Then it was the Redwood Colt, followed in turn by the Rip Van Winkle Colt.